There's just something about opening Amazon boxes that I don't know if it's the sound of it that makes me so happy. In Pittsburgh, Pat. Let's see what my wife ordered today. Actually, I have to admit, I might have had something to do with this one. That's an awfully big box for such a small box. Right. Oh, it is a rechargeable lithium ion battery charger. Or is it just the batteries? Let's find out. So if you watch this channel, you'll know that we do a lot of wildlife stuff in our yard. And we have cameras set up and they take lithium ion batteries. Those things are not cheap. All right. So that's the battery charger, spring loaded. It looks like USB-C. So we'll plug it in here. Lighten up. Oh, it comes with 8 batteries as well. And a power cable. It's always good to have a USB-C to USB-C power cable. I'll put the link in the description here and show you guys. So let's take a look at this here. See what we can see. So, plastic case, little tab, opens that up. Alright, so let's plug one in. Charging. Cool. This is great. Look, they all go at different rates, dude. This looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. And the little blue lights light up. Could be distracting in the dark, but pretty cool looking. All right, let's see what else we got in our Amazon order today. Hope it's nothing like private or compromising. I don't know. It sucks. Yeah. So here's a life hack, okay? I buy these gold toe socks. I've bought more expensive socks. I've had more expensive socks sent to me. And certainly if you're a sock company that wants me to review your socks, you could definitely send me socks. I will not turn them down. Because, you know, I used to work on my feet for 10 hours a day. And foot comfort is very important. But I found that these gold toe socks are relatively inexpensive. They are black, so they go with everything. You can wear them like with a, you know, if you're a man with a suit, and you don't see any stains like you do with like white socks, so they get discolored. And I just buy the same gold toe socks all the time. That way, as socks wear out, I don't have to match them. They're always black and they match each other pretty much. I mean, they'll get worn and they'll fade and turn gray, but like nobody's looking at my ankles that closely, I don't think. And so, yeah, that's a nice life hack. All right. And these were on sale, so I highly recommend getting them now. And this is more lithium rechargeable batteries, so we can spend less money on disposable batteries and more money on birdseed. There we go. I'm really trying to do this without destroying the case, but I don't think that's going to matter. Fine. Yeah. There we go. Oh, these are disposable. These are not rechargeable. These are the cheapest lithium-ion batteries on Amazon. And I bought 12 of them just to try them out. So we'll do a little bit of testing with those in a later video. Alright, I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching my unboxing video. Thanks for subscribing to the channel, all 15,625 of you. And I'll see you on the next one.